Hello traders, welcome to this video on the Val Bands V3 Indicator for MT4. This volatility based channel tool plus dynamic upper and lower bands around price in a separate window, helping you see overbought slash oversold zones, trend direction, and breakout conditions as they evolve in real time. At this point, I'm just going to go ahead and load the indicator on the chart, allow DLL inputs so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so we have it installed now, and as you can see, the Val Bands V3 draws a set of adaptive bands around price in a separate window. An upper band marking higher price extremes, a lower band marking low price extremes, and often a central baseline around equilibrium. When price moves towards or beyond the upper band, it visually signals bullish pressure and possible short-term overbought conditions. Moves towards or beyond the lower band signal bearish pressure and possible oversold conditions. During strong trends, price tends to ride one side of the channel, while tight band compression followed by sudden expansion often accompanies breakouts and volatility bursts. Alright, so let's take a look at the settings now. Alright, so for the settings, we basically have the history. The customizable setting over here. The bands automatically expand during high volatility and contract during quiet periods, giving an instant visual read of current market pressure. So you can customize band sensitivity, calculation periods, colors, and alert parameters so the channel reacts faster or slower and fits your style. Traders often combine Val Bands V3 with RSI or stochastic for extra overbought slash oversold confirmation, moving averages for long-term trend bias, and support slash resistance or price action patterns for precise entries. As for who is for and its limitations, the Val Bands V3 is suitable for scalpers, day traders, and swing traders who trade both trends and mean reversion using volatility cues. Like all volatility-based indicators, it can generate false signals in very choppy conditions and is not intended as a standalone system. It works best with confirmation tools and solid risk management. Proper parameter tuning and context, trend, levels, and news are important to avoid overtrading every band touch. The download link is in the description below. You can view the full Bands V3 Indicator MT4 overview, including strategy ideas, best combinations, installation steps, advantages, and limitations at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.